Hello. So I've got a new package of plants from Ecuagenera, and let's check out what we have there. I honestly forgot already what I ordered. This order took a little bit longer to come than my regular orders. I usually order right before they ship, and this time I ordered right after they shipped their orders. So it took a little bit longer for it to come, and I'll be frankly, I forgot already what's in here. But let's open it up and we'll definitely find out what's in there. Okay, it takes a little while here to open it. Okay, it's opened. It's pretty packed. Nobody would take my plants from me if they try to open it. So let me, okay. Let's see what we've got in here. Lots and lots of papers. Okay. So this one, let me put it this way. This one is pretty big, pretty large, and I want to see what's inside. I'm excited. I know what is inside, I already checked. And I want to show you and see if you can guess what plant is this. Okay, I see a yellow leaf. Two yellow leaves. Let's hope that the rest are not yellow. I see green leaves. I'm like really excited for you guys to see and guess what plant is this. This looks good. Sorry, it's very pretty packed. And here it is. The big, the huge. Who can guess what plant is this? Oh my gosh, look at these leaves. Look at these leaves. This is huge. This is huge. It does have some leaves that are yellow, but this is normal during the transit. Before, I used to worry. I used to feel like, wow, they sent me a plant with yellow leaves. But now I notice that on many of my shippings from other companies as well, I do get these yellow leaves. And my guess is because they stay closed and, you know, there is no sunlight going to them. There isn't, like, they are stressed. So I'm not worried about these leaves that are kind of beaten up. You can see this one, it's more. But the other ones look very good. And yeah, I think it's gonna take it a while to be steady, but I think we'll be fine with this plant. It's just, it needs water. It definitely needs water. I can see that it's not water, and the sphagnum moss, it's almost dry. It took it a while for it to arrive, and also I was on vacation, so I didn't open it on time. Well, it's still moisture in here. The sphagnum moss is still full of moisture, but it does need water. It's thirsty. And I just want to look inside. I want to look at the roots. And look at the roots. This is a very beautiful plant. It is huge, like has huge leaves, beautiful. I know for sure that my plant is gonna do okay. It's gonna need to be in the water, and it's going to need some love, but those leaves are amazing. And then this one, oh, okay, let's check out this one. Sometimes I would order some plants because I saw them on other channels and they open them and they're like, oh my god, oh my god. And I, like, you know, when you look online, the plant doesn't necessarily catch your attention, but when you see it at other people's screens, definitely looks good. And look at this beautiful, beautiful leaf. And this one is healthier, looks better. Apparently it's stronger, or already was in a better position when it was sent. And I'll tell you in a second what plants are these. I just want to show you the roots first. And I want to take a little bit of a moment to actually check out the beauty of this plant. So it has the roots, it has everything, it has growing points, like you can see it has growing points here and some aerial roots going on. It has, oh, this is a brand new leaf, it's not even open till the end. So pretty, very pretty. So I cleaned my table and now I want to show them again to you, just to appreciate the beauty. Like it's really, they're really, really beautiful. I cannot wait to actually take care of them. So this one is called Philodendron heterocraspidon. I hope I said it right. And I want to show you how beautiful it is. These are the leaves. The leaves are amazing. Like this is a baby plant. It's not a grown plant, and it's already like two of my hands. Like it's so big. It's like absolutely amazing plant. I really like the texture, and the spines are very nice. It's like what do I say? It's like a king anthurium, but obviously not as bumpy, but still it has a very, very nice texture to it, and it does look very actually amazing. I love it. I really love it. My new leaf is not even open. So what I'm gonna do with it, I'm going to put it in the water because it needs a little bit of help. I'm gonna let it sink in the water for a little bit until it's going to actually feel better. And after that, I'll have to repot it. I usually keep them in the water for like a couple of days, and if the plant looks good, then I'll repot it. But if it doesn't, I will still keep it, and I might add some peroxide to the water. This one is Philodendron patriclae. I don't know if it's visible. I don't know how to say the names, but that doesn't mean the plant is not pretty. So I'm taking care of these yellowing leaves. I don't need them. They are damaged. The rest I'm not going to clean. I'm gonna leave it to see what it does when it stays in water. But these are more than gorgeous leaves. These are more than gorgeous leaves. So it does has aerial roots and it has new roots. It's very large. It's a large, large plant. As you can see, when it stands, it's a lot more prettier. It's pretty big compared to my hand. Imagine my head. And I'm going to put it in the water as well. I wanted to, it's pretty dry. I am sorry, but the shipping just came in when I was on vacation. We went to visit Vegas. You probably already know it from my shorts and from my videos, but this is a beautiful plant. It's just amazing. I really, really love how it stays. I cannot wait for them to actually grow big and beautiful for me. Amazing plant. I'm like very, very, very happy with these plants, and I will keep you updated. I want to show you how big and beautiful they are. Like they are literally I'm like fascinated by how big they are. You can see that compared to my arm, it's like longer than half of my arm. And this one is the Philodendron patriculae. And then this one is so pretty. It does have the King Anthurium vibes, except it's a Philodendron. It's very, very beautiful. I really love how it looks like. It's not cleaned, but looks good. And this is a new leaf that's not even open yet. Very, very pretty. And this one is the, no, this one's the Philodendron heterocraspedon. So these are my new two plants. Very beautiful, lovely ladies. And I really want to see them growing and be part of my collection, and I'll keep you guys updated. So in the end, I did clean my leaves, and I want to show it to you how beautiful they actually are. They're so much more appealing after being cleaned. And apparently this is a brand new leaf and that's beaten, but I'm hopeful that another leaf will come out and be in better shape. And look at this one. And when I was cleaning it, I could feel these dents under these spines, and oh my god, the feeling is amazing. So I just wanted to show you how beautiful plants can turn if they are taken care and if they are cleaned. And here it is, both of my beautiful, beautiful plants. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you can, and like and share, whatever you choose. Comment. Thank you.